Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Letitia, and on this channel, we do everything home as well as some DIYs and lifestyle every now and then. In today's video, we're going to be tackling my bar counter, aka the buffet table, or whatever you want to call it. I just want to decorate it really lightly for Christmas because I'm trying to, make the whole living room area as well as the kitchen look a little more festive, because I usually only tackle the entryway and a little bit of the living room, but I just decided to go all out and add just a little bit more than usual. So I'm just cleaning up the area before I get started. I'm going to add my little wreath, and all I'm going to do is use some tape because I just want to rip this off afterwards. No hooks, nothing stressful, just a little bit of tape that I can remove later on down, and it really works because I do it every single year and it never falls off, so it works. Do you guys remember when I DIY'd this vase? This was one of my first DIY projects on my channel. I got it from my mother-in-law. She was throwing away a lot of vases and she was like, well, if you want them, then just take them, because you guys know these large antique vases are very expensive. So I grabbed a few, honey. I grabbed a few. I was like, instead of buying it, hell yes, I will definitely take it. So I'm just going to go ahead and arrange my drinks, my wines and spirits on this tabletop, as well as our mixer. I plan to purchase a mixer stand, because when we bought this mixer, I bought this for my husband for Christmas, I think 2 or 3 Christmases ago. It's been a while. We make good use out of it. We love using that mixer. But I want to get a stand for it so it'll look nice and neat on a table. Maybe a wooden stand or a black one, because I do plan to change the color of this buffet table soon. But I think if not silver or something, I do want a black one, but maybe silver. Not too sure. Anyways, I'm just going to organize everything, and I use that little tiny vase for the rest of the little items that come with the mixer, because I have nowhere else to put them and I don't want to keep them in a box. Do you guys remember when we did our winery date and I got these bottles from that time? We drank about 2 of them, but we have 3 left over and we're saving them for Christmas. We gonna sip on them during the Christmas time. And this is just me being a little finicky when it comes to the color coordination of this stand. I don't know what got into me, but y'all pardon me. I was like, that's dark, let's put the dark under there and let's go up and be light. So I'm gonna be finicky a couple times in this video, so y'all bear with me, okay? Just bear with your girl. And this is me once again being finicky. I decided that I wanted all the wines and champagnes together, and then I'm gonna put the hard rum, away from it. So yeah, that's just me. Like I said, I'm gonna do this a few times in this video. So please bear with your girl. Now I'm putting out my fancy schmancy wine glasses, and but I guess they're martini glasses and whatnot. But y'all remember this set? I brag about this set all the time. Every single time I use it, I brag about it because I have a lot of them and I only get to showcase them, or I really only showcase them around the holidays. And I just love decorating this bar countertop with those glasses. They're just so pretty. They're so beautiful. That's why I say I think I'm gonna get a silver mixer stand, because there's a lot of silver going on here. Even though the wine rack is black, there's a lot of silver going on. So this was me trying to figure out how I could incorporate this large wine glass in my setup, and I just could not figure it out. So I just went ahead and add my little globe on top, as well as my favorite scent from the iPuro brand. It's called Black Bamboo. If you guys get a chance to smell it, definitely smell it. It is so nice. It's like a masculine kind of musky woody scent. It's really, really nice. So I just went outside and cut a piece of my cypress plant or bush. Well, it grows like a ficus, so is it a ficus or a tree? I don't know. But anyways, I added a piece of that, a branch, into my vase, and once again, me trying to figure out how I can add this large wine glass in my setup. And plus, I didn't like how the books looked, so I figured it out. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of my ornaments into the large wine glass, because I want to tie that Christmas tree into my setup here on the back corner. So I'm just going to take out as many light ones as possible, because I want to add some string light, and I want the light to reflect off of the clear ones, especially when it's dark. When it's dark, it's so pretty. But I couldn't get the right angle for you guys to see how pretty it was. But when it's dark, it is so pretty, y'all, when it's light up over there. But anyways, I'm just adding my string lights along with the ornaments that I chose from my packet. I'm going to be adding a few of the white berry picks into the wreath, as well as a few of the little gold berry picks, because I want to tie in what's on the TV stand as well as the Christmas tree to the bar area. So there we have it, loves. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet. Comment down below, because you guys know I love chatting it up with y'all down below. And remember to share this video, because sharing is caring. And I will see y'all in my next video. So until then, cheers.